This is charades. Tagalog version.
Tanda pa rin. Tanda pa rin.
Si Berns yung mag-a-act.
Okay. English na to. English na.
Two words. First word. Small. Tiny. Little.
Second word.
Three syllables. First syllable.
Boy.
Burn.
You. Him. He. It.
You. He. She. It. They. Sounds like. Fan. Fan. Sounds like fan. Ano ba?
Man, dyan.
Man.
Little Manhattan.